For decades, complex data analytics were the exclusive domain of consumer packaged goods companies with large business intelligence and IT budgets. Wouldn't it be great if manufacturers and suppliers like you could have access to the same on-demand web-based data insights as your larger competitors? The market is evolving, and so is your competition. Consumers are making fewer trips, but shopping across more channels creates a complex ecosystem of data for you to manage and analyze. QuickTABS Connect, a new insight service from TABS Analytics, was built to erase your competitors' advantage. Built on the Pivotstream Cloud BI platform and created through the Nielsen Connected Partner program, QuickTABS Connect provides access to a library of interactive best practice reports and dashboards, and with no business intelligence or IT requirements whatsoever. What used to take specialized teams days or weeks to create is now available on demand 24/7. QuickTABS Connect removes the barriers to category expertise and provides thoughtful, fact-based guidance to support distribution and promotional recommendations that help you strategize and increase sales. Let's say you're a chocolate bark manufacturer who's meeting with a Chicago retailer to strategize sales plans. With QuickTABS Connect, you can easily view and share the most current 52-week performance of chocolate bark and competing categories. Then, with just a few clicks, you can get in-depth category performance charts and commentary for that specific market. QuickTABS Connect is currently available in these categories, with more to follow. If you're ready to change the way you make data-driven decisions, we invite you to try QuickTABS Connect for 30 days by filling out the contact form on this page.